Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and today I've got something just about everybody can enjoy. I'm standing on an all-new Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. So why don't you guys hop aboard, and let's get this walkthrough started. So guys, I get it. You work hard all week. You're looking to get out, spend some time with the family, enjoy yourselves, enjoy company with others. Look no further. We've got a nice sun pad up here. Lounge out and enjoy yourselves. You see a couple rod holders up on the very bow where your sunshade is actually going to stick in, and you're going to have full shade coverage over the whole bow. Really gives it a real yacht-like experience with the rails also. Let's move on back and show you what else she has to offer. So in that last shot, what you guys may or may not have realized was underneath my feet was this expansive area down below to get out of the weather. And before I go on any further, I just want to take note of all the attention to detail that Whaler put in to this finish down here, whether it's upholstery or any of the wood finishes. Just keep an eye on that. So let's move up here. I'm going to point out all the creature comforts of a kitchen with your microwave, stove, sink. And when it's time to go to bed, night guys, don't let the bed bugs bite. Got a nice bed down here where a couple could kind of tuck away for the evening. So I wouldn't be doing this walkthrough justice if I didn't of course point out the television down here also. Take a look inside the head. Really huge area down beneath, really a staple of Boston Whaler to have a head that people aren't going to feel crowded in. Now let's head on up to the main deck and show you what else she has to offer. So as I move my way on back to the helm here, bear with me because she has a lot to offer. First and foremost, we've got a joystick piloting system on a twin Mercury 300 V8s. I'll get to those later. Also, we're going to have access to all of your lights, switches, of course, your horn. Blank canvas here for a couple big screens of your liking. Also, coming on back here, you guys can see that there is an option for a Isinglass Enclosure, which does come with this boat. But when you want to have that Isinglass closed, you can have your AC cranking or open them up, get some fresh air in. Now, this ain't Burger King, but you can still have it your way. So for the sake of good conversation, stay out of the elements, keep everybody nice and close. But when the sun is shining like it is today, this transforms into a rear-facing seat. Sit back, watch the spread if you're trolling for sailfish or marlin, and say, "Fish on, fish on!" So we've got another fridge up here, keep all the beverages nice and cold and out of the fish box. Speaking of which, where are the fish box? You got two of them, in deck, very large. Yeah, that'll fit about a 100-pound amberjack if you ask me. So, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this particular model was built to fish. You can see back here, you've got an extensive tackle station with an extra drawer up top. But it also adds much more than just fishing. So while you've got your standard Whaler seat back here, the Conquest is going to offer another seat which pops out over here. So just like that shade you're going to have up on the bow, back here you're going to have a manual retractable awning that's going to come out, give you shade across the whole aft deck also. So I know I talk about them a lot guys, but I'm just so fired up about these all new Mercury V8 Verados. These particular models, twin 300 horsepower, naturally aspirated, equipped with the joystick operating system. Look how futuristic these things look guys. Like, it looks like they're about to say, "Captain Nick, take me to your leader, human." So anyway guys, come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg. Let me give you your own personal walkthrough, or better yet, I'll get you out on the water. Captain Nick, MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm signing off.